Forex traders, I bring you this week market analysis. This is David from Esco Trader. It's a new week, and let us look at what happened last week in the global financial market and into this week. Last week, we saw the NFP reports that was supposed to be released for the month of October, but it was tentative, and which means it was a very bad one for the dollar. So we are going to look into that, what actually happened that last week in the market, and what exactly are we to be expecting into this week. Okay, so just let's look at what happened last week Friday during the NFP release. And the NFP release was tentative, which wasn't released, and the report was taken out, and the US government data may be impacted by the shutdown, so which was actually what happened. But what should we be expecting this week is what I'm actually most interested in, starting from today being Monday, October 6th, and into Tuesday, Wednesday. We're going to be having unemployment claims. FOMC report 2 will be out this week, and also tentative on unemployment rate and non-farm employment change. So you see, the US dollar is weakening across board. If you look at the FX blue currency as well, we can still see that gold is still very much strong on the weekly, daily, and H4. And also, if you also look at the market milk as well, you can also see that the USD is weakened across board. All right, so into this week, I will be much interested in trading gold. All right, I'm still interested in going long on gold, going bullish on gold. All right, so from the H1 time frame, we saw last week, if you have been following our Signal channel on the premium group as well, we saw 3891 was a very strong resistance zone. Our market broke out of it from Friday into the Asian session this new week, about 500 pips. So what I'll be much interested in is narrowing down to the 5 minutes time frame. We can see a bounce from 3929 level area, which I identified from last week high and ascending channel. I'm waiting for a breakout for price to come tap into the 3891 level area before going bullish on it. But the setup will be given on the Esco premium group. All right, we also saw a gap over the Asian session last night into this morning of about 85 pips on AUD JPY, and a total move of 190 pips, okay, on AUD JPY. Looking at also GBP JPY2 as well, we also saw this massive gap as well. From here to this point was about 155 pips, and a total number of 336 pips. So what should we be expecting this week? I'm going to be seeing possibilities on what entry to take in, and if you want to be a part of that, you can just show interested on the comment section. All the trades are available or are going to be available on our Signal channel. This is what I have for us this week. Remember guys, fundamental news plus technical analysis can help you meet your target if you know exactly what to do in the global financial market. All right guys.